right, our next step is to put in some rocks. I'm painting my rocks on the left side first, and I'm using different shades of browns, grays, and purples. Notice how I'm painting the rest of my rock very roughly. I add a hint of highlight on the top of my rocks, but I'm not blending any colors yet. Some of my rocks are underneath the water surface. I'm painting all of those with a dark gray shade. For the smaller rocks, I'm using a thin round brush. Some of these larger rocks go all the way underneath the water. For this part, you want to water down your paint so it appears more transparent. I'm ready to add more detail and reflections into my water stream. Next, I'm going to work out more details in my clouds. First, I add a few more highlights on the very top, a little bit in the middle, and also some darker areas underneath to make the cloud pop out more three-dimensional. I'm adding a dark, thin line to the edge of my mountain with a very dry brush, just so it stands out a little bit more in front of the light sky. It's time to put more details into my mountains, so I'm adding a few more highlights and shades. Next, I will add more detail and shading and highlights into my canopy here. I'm using a lot of different colors, a lot of white, yellow, green, and even dark blue to get those different shades into my tree. It makes the tree appear a lot more three-dimensional, gives it more depth. I decided to make the tree trunk a lot more colorful. So I'm choosing colors that I already used in my painting, like the color of the water or the color of the mountains and some green as well. This will create a more harmonious look and feel to the whole painting at the end.